everybody, welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with me, Carol. Karibu sana. And today we have a very interesting video. We're cooking from the Plant Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gundry. So if you don't know it and if you're new here, this is the book that you're cooking from. And today we'll try and make roasted radishes. Roasted radishes. This is a picture from the book. As you can see, they look really nice. So we will attempt and make this dish over here. And let's see what we have over here. I have some radishes. I have sliced them, some mint, some parsley, some butter, and some salt. So half of the butter you're going to use them on our radishes, and half of the butter you're going to use them on our herbs. We're going to see how we're going to do that. So let's begin. Like that. Then tunasugua tu kidogo. If you don't want to use butter, the book says that you can use some avocado oil, so feel free to do that. We're going to spread it here. And of course our oven is preheating. One thing I can say about this dish so far is that it has very simple ingredients, but now let's wait and see how it is going to taste, how it's going to come out, because I've not made it before. This will be my first time making it, so I am eagerly waiting to see. So we need to bake this in the oven for 100. We need to bake this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and when we are almost at our 20 minutes mark, because we need to make sure that they are tender. When they are almost ready, we are going to deal with the herbs. So as you can see, the color. So the next thing is just sprinkling in some salt. Whoa, salt bay. Simple, quick and easy side dish. So let's bake it and then we'll be back. Let's prepare our herb mixture. This is the other half of the butter. We need to heat it up a bit. Then we put the mint and the parsley. We have our mint. And our parsley. The book says when the butter is hot, we just add the herbs, we toast a bit, and then we remove. So this is done. Now let's go to the next final step. Look at that. Sizzling, yeah? So our final step is mixing the two. Smelling really nice. Really nice. Yes. radishes are ready. Oh, as you can see in the book, they look so nice on the plate. I've not been disappointed by the look. The look is bomb. They look really nice. It's time to taste and give our verdict. This will be my first time trying them, and they're simple. It's a really quick thing to do. You roast them, you put them in the oven, and then you do the herb mixture and you're done. So let's taste it. Let's taste it first. Okay. I'm going to put some mint and parsley too. Yes, like that. The whole shebang, the whole shebang. Oh, it's going to fall down. Wow. Now let's see. It's not bad, eh? I think it has to be an acquired taste, to be honest. Well, so what one thing I can say, it's like I said before, it's a really simple meal to make, and when it comes to the taste, I think it has to be an acquired taste because they're not bad, and I can't say they're bad. Something that you have to get used to eat. As in, the more I've continued to eat, the more I'm getting used to it. That's all. That's all I can say. But personally, I don't think I'll do this plainly as it is. I would want something like some meat or just something else to bring a different taste. Because as it is, the way it is, well, it's not easy to eat it. Trust me, it's not easy to eat it. But as you continue to eat it, you get used. Wow. If you love radishes and you would want to try them in a different version or in a different style, I think this is a nice recipe to try out. So don't forget, this is a book we are cooking from, the Plant Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gundry. All the quantities and everything is in the book. Check it out and try out the recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Bye bye and God bless.